Very good morning, dear student. Dear student, today we are taking the topic that is the transpose of a matrix. As you have already seen in the previous video, how to find the multiplication of the matrices, and we take some problem also. Now we see what is the meaning of the transpose of matrix and how we can use in the application of the matrix. So in this section we learn about the transpose of a matrix and its properties. Special type of matrices such as a symmetric and symmetric we can also discuss. So definition we can call if a matrix A which is given by Aij of order n cross n. Suppose we are given a matrix B m cross n, then the matrix obtained by interchanging rows and column of matrix B. If we are interchanging the rows and column, clear? So transpose of called the transpose of matrix A, and it is denoted by A dash. Transpose of the matrix A, it is denoted by A dash, or you may also write A power T. ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स तो बहुत आसान है। मैट्रिक्स के रोज को कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, कॉलम को रोज। सो सच टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। करेक्ट। एक मैट्रिक्स की जो भी रो है वो कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, कॉलम को रो में कर दीजिए। सो देन ए ट्रांसपोज, suppose here we are given matrix A in the form of Aij of the order of n. So A transpose or A dash to the right, Aj. Now this column convert into row convert into column. So order is also changed, n into n. Clear? Like suppose we take example, if A matrix is like this 1 2 root 3 0 1 5, then its transpose, that is A dash matrix will be, now we are saying the rows change into column. So first row 1 2, this is the first row containing element 1 2. So this first row convert into first column. This is the first column. Clear? Second row convert into second column. That is root 3. Or third row convert into column. So this is the transpose matrix. So here you can say order of matrix is 3 by 2 because there are 3 rows and 2 columns. Correct? So in the transpose matrix there are only 2 rows and 3 columns, C1, C2, C3. So order of this matrix is 2 by, so order interchange. Correct? So in this way one can find the transpose of a matrix. So very easy. Suppose any matrix we are given 2 by 2 matrix 1 3 5 0. So its transpose will be first row 1 3 convert into column. Second 5. So in this way we can find the transpose of a matrix. Very simple and easy point. Next is its properties of the transpose. What are the properties of the transpose of a matrix or matrix C? So like see here, first step for any matrix A and B, we have, suppose we are given two matrices. For any matrices A and B, we have, for any matrix say A and B, we have rule. First is transpose of a matrix, again we get that matrix. Transpose of a transpose matrix, we get again matrix. Like we can say, suppose we are given the matrix 1 2 0 4. So its transpose first row into convert column. Now if you want to find the again transpose of this matrix, that is the transpose of the transpose of a matrix. मैट्रिक्स के ट्रांसपोज का वापस ट्रांसपोज निकालना, करेक्ट? So we can say here A transpose is transpose. So again we interchange the rows and column of this matrix. इस मैट्रिक्स के रो और कॉलम चेंज करेंगे. Now first row convert into first column, second row convert into second. So you can say this is the same matrix as A. That's why we call A. Correct? So in this way, first property, second, suppose any scalar multiplied by the matrix, then transpose of the product of a matrix and scalar, that is equal to the that scalar into transpose. तो कोई भी ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स का निकालना, लेकिन उसके साथ अगर स्केलर है, so either first you have to multiply that scalar by the matrix, then find the transpose, or first you find the transpose of that matrix and then multiply with the given scalar. Both have same result, because we know that as we have to multiply with the each element constant into a, it means we have to, ये देवदत्त पे चला गया यार, कुछ लोग वास्तव में इसके अटेंडेंस के लिए आते हैं, कल से इनका आवेदन लगा. So k into whole transpose equal to k a का. So in this is the second property. Third C, A plus B whole transpose. If you want to find the transpose of sum of matrices, then that is also equal to the sum of their transpose. Later on we see इसका help of example this property आती है, आगे अभी कोई भी लेके आप कर सकते हो. A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B. Similarly, if you want to find the transpose of the product matrix, this is very important property. That will be the product of their transpose, but order is changed. Very important. यहाँ आपको order important है. Multiplication हमने कहा था, multiplication is not commutative. That's why transpose of the AB, that is the first that B not A, A reject कर दो जाएगा. So B transpose into A. So these are the some properties. Now we can prove these properties with the help of an example. So example देखिए. Example 20. equal to 3 root 3 2. First row, second 4 2 0 4 2 and matrix B B2 minus 1 2 minus 1 and 1 2 4 1 2 4. Now these two matrices are given and we have to verify the some properties like first one, transpose of a transpose matrix, that should be equal to A. Second, A plus B whole transpose, A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B. And third, A into B whole transpose is equal to K into B plus, where K is some constant. So these properties we have to show. So first, in the we can say solution. Here A equal to we are given 3 4 root 3 2 2 3. Then A transpose, we find its transpose. So we are changing the rows and column. So first row convert into first column, that is 3 root 3 2. Then second row convert into second column, 4 2 3. Similarly we are given B 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Then we find B transpose. So here also you can say the first row convert into first column. So 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. This is the B one, right? So now problem is there. We have to find first part that A plus B, sorry, A transpose S transpose. Okay? So for first A transpose S transpose. So A transpose is this matrix. So we can find transpose of this, that is 3 4. First row convert into first column. Second row convert into second column. Third row convert into third column. So this is the value of the given matrix A. ये दोनों सेम है, इक्वल मैट्रिक्स. So one can write it is equal to A. So first part is proved that A transpose A equal to A. Now secondly, first we find A plus B, sum of the given two matrix. Plus B matrix 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4. Now as you know how to find the sum of the two matrices, the corresponding element will be added. That is 3 plus 2 5 root 3 minus 1 2 plus 2, that is 2. This is first row. 4 plus 1 5 2 plus 2 4 0 plus 4, that is. So in this way you get the A plus B. Now problem is that we have to find its transpose. So A plus B is whole transpose. So transpose of this matrix, that is the product sum matrix. So first row, that is 5 root 3 minus 1 4. Convert into first column. Similarly second row this we convert into second column, that is 5 4 4. Also we have to show that A plus B we have already defined. This is the left hand side of this. Now right hand side we take sum of the transposes of the both matrices. Also right hand side A plus B transpose this matrix 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. Now you add this again, so corresponding element will be added. Correct? So here 3 plus 4, that is 5. 4 plus 1 5. 4 3 minus 1. 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 2 4. 0 plus 4. So which is equal to this left hand side? Clear? So that is equal to left hand side. And so in this way we can prove the part. Correct? Now also last part A into B, that we can say A into B. So here we write third part K into B matrix was find. So K multiply with the matrix B, 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4, or each element get multiplied by K, and we know that multiply of a scalar by a matrix. Each element is. So this is this. Now we have to find A B whole transpose. This transpose of this matrix. Is matrix का transpose. So that is 2k minus k and 2k. K 2k. So this is the left hand side. Now right hand side we need k into b matrix. K into b. So K into B transpose we have already written. This is the B transpose matrix. So 2 1 minus 1 2 and 2 4. So this multiply with the K. So 2K, K minus K, 2K, 2K and 4K. So you can say this is also equal to this. So both are equal. This is equal to left hand side. So third part is also. So this is very easily we can prove the properties of the matrices. Correct? Now the one more example, 21st. This is also related to this one. This property we prove with the help of example, but this is very important. It is given in the form of product matrix. So you can see it is here in this. Example 21st. If A equal to matrix minus 2 4 5 and matrix B, this is the column matrix, only one column is there, and B matrix 1 3 minus 6. Verify that. You have to verify AB whole transpose is equal to B transpose A. So in solution you write here AB means product of A matrix with the B. ये ध्यान से करना है, कई बच्चे ये बहुत गलत करते हैं। लगभग 90% बच्चों का ये प्रोडक्ट गलत रहता है एग्जाम में, क्योंकि वो क्या करते हैं डायरेक्ट -2 को 1 से कर लेंगे, एक एलिमेंट आ गया, -2 को 3 से दूसरा आ गया, -2 से 4 यानी फर्स्ट को, फिर इसी तरह से करेंगे सेकंड और थर्ड। ऐसा नहीं है, इसमें एक ही एलिमेंट बढ़ेगा, राइट? सो दैट विल बी, इसमें आपको ध्यान से करना है, इसमें एक एलिमेंट आप लोग बढ़ा लो, लेकिन इसमें अलग अलग है, ठीक है ना? तो फर्स्ट रो में सिर्फ एक ही एलिमेंट है और फर्स्ट कॉलम में भी एक ही। फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाई विद द फर्स्ट, सो वी गेट -2 into 1, दैट इज -2। पहली रो को पहली कॉलम से कर दिया, एक ही एलिमेंट है, ठीक है ना? फिर फर्स्ट रो को सेकंड कॉलम से, -2 into 3 -2 into -6 प्लस 12। तो ये आपके पहली रो आई है, ठीक है, -2 6 12। सिमिलरली सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 4 into 1 4, 4 into 3 12, 4 into -6 ये सेकंड रो। सिमिलरली थर्ड रो को बनाओगे फर्स्ट कॉलम से 5, सेकंड कॉलम से 15, थर्ड कॉलम से 30। तो ये आपका वैल्यू आ गया AB का। We find the AB. Now we have to find the transpose of AB. So transpose of AB यानी प्रोडक्ट मैट्रिक्स। तो इस मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज निकालना, that's why we have to find the left hand of this transpose of the product matrix AB। तो इनके रो और कॉलम चेंज करके फर्स्ट रो चेंज इनटू फर्स्ट कॉलम, मैंने फर्स्ट रो को फर्स्ट कॉलम लिख दिया, देन सेकंड रो 4 12 -24, थर्ड रो 5 15 -30। So this is the left hand side matrix, ठीक है। Now we take the right hand side, that is B transpose A transpose. So first of all we find B transpose. So transpose of this matrix 1 3 -6, so that is 1 3 -6. Then A transpose of this matrix, first column convert into -2 4 5. So this is the A transpose. Now right hand side what say, we have to check B transpose into A transpose. So write down B transpose 1 3 -6 -2 4 5. Now find the product of these two. So very clear, carefully you take 1 into -2 first element of first, 1 into 4 1 into 5, then 3 into -2 3 into 4 12, 3 into 5 that is 15. So this is the elements of the second. Now third -6 into 2 plus 12, -6 into 4 -12, 6 into 5 minus. Now in student you can say both are equal, these matrices are equal. So we can say this left hand side and right hand side are equal. So with the help of example we prove this property. Clear? Now see next one. This is all about the properties of the transpose matrix. Now some more properties of the transpose matrix, and we call them other title or red line we can say, but these are the special properties of the transpose. Now that are called as symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. Symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices. So what is the meaning of symmetric and skew-symmetric matrices, that we have to see with the help of definition. So definition number 4, a square matrix, this should be always square matrix Aij of the order n is said to be symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix if transpose of the matrix, again matrix is said, right? A matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose is equal to A. That is Aij equal to, or in considered as a symmetric matrix. Clear? Means after interchanging rows and column, there is no change in the matrix. Like you can say example, A matrix containing element row 3 to grade first 2 minus second row minus 1 3 minus 1. This is matrix A. Now if you want to find the transpose of this matrix, see A transpose. So we convert first row into first column, that is row 3 to 3. ये जो first row थी row 3 to 3, इसको मैंने first column में लिख दिया. Similarly second row, that is row minus 1.5 minus 1 in second column, and third row, that is 3 minus 1 1 in third. But actually what we are getting, इसको देखिए वापस हुई है, corresponding all elements are equal. So what we get? So A transpose gives you again a matrix A. So such type of matrices are called as symmetric matrix. तो इस तरह की मैट्रिक्स को हम सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स कहेंगे. और स्क्वायर सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की भी डेफिनेशन हम लिख देते हैं. और स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. इसी तरह से तो थोड़ा सा चेंज है. ए आई ए said to be symmetric matrix if, now this will be a symmetric matrix if what is the property? A transpose equal to minus A. If A transpose is equal to minus A, then we call it is a symmetric matrix. That is Aji equal to minus Aij. This when you are changing the order, sign is also change of the corresponding element. Only sign is change. Clear? For all possible value of I and j. And if you put I equal to g, अगर I और j equal है, then what happen? I equal to j. तो यहाँ पर I और j equal है, so I minus ai. So what we get? Twice of ai equal to 0 or ai equal to 0. Means the elements at the diagonal where I and j are equal at the diagonal element. Diagonal element में जैसे A11, A22, A33, A44, these are called a diagonal element. So value of the diagonal element will be 0. This means that all the diagonal element of square symmetric matrix are 0. So you may give the example of this matrix that E equal to, इसका example लिखिए 0 EF 0 EF. कोई भी एलिमेंट ले सकते हो नंबर या लेटर्स. माइनस E 0 G, then minus F minus G and G. So if you find the transpose of this matrix, अब इस मैट्रिक्स का अगर आप ट्रांसपोज निकालोगे तो this first row convert into first column 0 E F. Second row into second column minus E 0 G. Third row minus F minus B 0. Now if you take minus common in this transpose matrix, if we are माइनस कॉमन, तो माइनस कॉमन लेने का मतलब क्या है, फ्रॉम ईच एलिमेंट वी टेक -1 को, किसी भी मैट्रिक्स में माइनस कॉमन या प्लस कॉमन लेने का मतलब हर एक में से आएगा वो। So from each element we take minus, it means each element will get multiplied by the minus. तो हर एक के साइन चेंज हो जाएंगे. So this will be derived in the form of A transpose 0 minus 0 plus 5. Sign will be changed, minus E 0 plus G, minus F minus G and 0. So you can say this is the value of matrix A. तो ये मैट्रिक्स A वापस आ गई, this matrix and this, but we have taken minus as a common then only. So what we get, transpose of the matrix is equal to minus of that matrix. So such type of matrices are called the skew symmetric matrix. Clear? So here we see what is the, this is very important, that symmetric matrix and skew symmetric. तो सिमेट्रिक में तो क्या है, किसी मैट्रिक्स का आप लोग ट्रांसपोज निकालोगे तो वापस वही मैट्रिक्स आ गई, दैट इज नोन एज सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, करेक्ट। इसकी सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स व्हेन यू आर फाइंडिंग द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स, देन ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल टू माइनस ऑन टू मैट्रिक्स और नेगेटिव ऑफ द गिवन मैट्रिक्स, गिवन मैट्रिक्स का नेगेटिव मैट्रिक्स आ जाती है, देन इट इज नोन एज स्क्वायर symmetric matrix. Clear? After this we have important example and two theorem. These two theorems results are very important while we solving the problem. So in the next video we have to see this the example related to the matrix. Correct? So this is all about today's class. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.